Alright, so I'm working on installing this pickup on the oil pump, and you already know this oil pump is going to be fine as far as the height of the pickup, the screen. So I got the straight edge here, which I had use anything. I just grabbed this real quick, an excuse to use a tool that you're probably not going to use very often, and I put it right on the straight edge like that. And I can't do it with one hand with the camera and one hand with the pump, but face to face, then just go face to face, and then you can just line up the very top points right there, and then it's lined up. In order to put it in, I basically just went ahead with a rag on the ground, put it between two blocks of wood, and grabbed the 16mm, which fits right on top of that lip, and then hammer it with the ball peen hammer. Got it started, and then just went back up to the flat surface again and double checked that I'm going in the right way, and then hit it again, and then double check. And at some point, I'm pretty sure it's not going to move, and I'll just probably just start hammering all the way into it. So unless this thing pops out again, which I don't think it will, it popped out once while I was going at it, and then I feel like I got it started real well, and I was able to move it up and down and adjust it by like a couple fractions of an inch, and it's the same position as the other one, or close enough. And that's it. So hopefully the next video it is actually in and on the engine installed. All right, guys, bye.